Okay, hello everyone. This is another solution for the pointer overflow CTF. This is a petty wage and regret. It's forensics. I realized I was covering a lot of web and I've covered web and cracking, but I haven't done a forensic challenge yet. So yeah, so we are given an interesting image. The flag has been broken up into several parts. Okay, so keep that in mind. And it's embedded within the image, so it'll take a variety of skills to assemble it. So we're given df2.jpg. So when we are first given I'm going to do all of this inside of my Kali Linux. So when you're given a JPEG image, the first thing you want to do is check the metadata. And we can do that by using exif tool. If you don't have it installed, just do apt get install exif tool, and we're gonna pop df2 into that and see what we get. So we get some data. All of it looks pretty normal to me right off the bat. You know, we've got matrix column information, some color information, height and width, the RGB stuff, it's an image slash JPEG. Okay, that's good. Not embedded, independent. And if we go up here, we can see a user comment, and it looks to be a string. This looks kind of abnormal. That it's not in plain text English. So let's copy this and let's put it into CyberChef. And if we pop this into CyberChef, we're going to use the good old magic tool so it can do the work for us. Okay, so we've got a P part 1 out of 2, the beginning of the flag, but there is no closing curly brace, meaning that we need to find the other part. So let's just copy this for now and keep it in a notepad here, and we're going to find the second part. So to find the second part, we actually haven't looked at the image yet, so we can let's open up GIMP, another tool that is popular for image forensics. Let's open df2. I'll keep. Okay, so right off the bat, looking at this, it looks pretty normal, right? But if we actually zoom in here, I forgot, oh, I can go down here and zoom in. Yeah, so if we zoom in here, there's kind of these weird pixelations happening. If you can see, I'm not sure how it's going to show up on YouTube, but there's sort of like smoother pixels, and then there's less pixelated areas. And if we when you see it, you can't unsee it. So here we have like we have a colon, and then we have what I assume to be a P, and then this looks like a 2/2, colon, yeah. So this is part 2. It's hidden in plain sight. So part 2 out of 2. Now it's down here below, you can see more pixelation, but it's kind of hard to see. So let's actually play with the image a little bit to get it to show up better. And when I was doing this, I found that adjusting the color temperature actually worked pretty well. I believe I just have to go right here. Okay, so somewhere around here, this is way easier to see. So we've got colon P2/2 : we have a 7, so let's write this down. We have a 7, so this is colon P2 / 2 colon, and then the second part is that looks like 17, and then we have an underscore here, then we have an F 1 2 5 7, and I don't see a closing curly bracket, but we're gonna assume that that's part of it. Let's combine this. Let's just literally paste it. We're gonna copy this, paste it here, and we're gonna assume that there should be an underscore here. Now, this is the flag. Yeah, there you go. This took me longer than it should have, but that's okay. Hopefully this helps you. Have a good rest of your day.